The apartment is located in 72 Kurraghein Avenue, Rushcutters Bay, New South Wales, 2011, Australia. The premise is located in the alleyway. This must have another entrance. This location is set in a vibrant eastern suburbs community, representing a true cosmopolitan style. A place that's very quiet is suitable for a couple that loves a laid-back lifestyle. The owner, when first bought the apartment, the interior is cozy and very homey. However, the owner finds it is lacking of storage cabinets. So we remove everything, and this is the existing floor plans. The kitchen is also too small for the owner, and this is how the design floor plans looks like. We enlarge the kitchen and make the TV console as the partition between the bedroom and the living area. And as we can see, there are ample storage cabinets. When first entered, we are welcomed by a huge sofa facing the entrance door for good feng shui. With rectangles display shelvings acting as a rising bubbles that's floating in the air. The left wall and right wall, I apply light walnut wood high pressure laminate to emphasize on the sofa wall with LED strip light running along the edge of the walls and ceiling to accentuate the wall. With the cabinet facing the entrance wall are the shoe storage. The gray pixelated checkered carpet is making the whole space interesting as it creates contemporary and tacky approach to the space. The gray sofa is to blend in with the carpet, so not to seem big in the space. But the colorful pillows add the characters to the space. For the toilet door, I've added LED lights on the edge to modernize the space, as minimalist design are enhanced with the use of LED strips lights. The TV console are designed to emphasize the TV placement by the usage of walnut high pressure laminate surrounded with white HPL. At this space, to maximize the dining function, is to be placed at the center. Hence, the living coffee table be transformed to a dining table, and the chair that can be folded flat to be taken out from the specially designed cabinet. Now let's go to the bedroom. The TV console has to be slide out slightly to add space in the bedroom. The bed is using Murphy's bed. So the space can be utilized for a full-length office desk. Now for the kitchen, I've used all white anti-fingerprint high pressure laminate to add brightness and spaciousness of the space. The toilet, I've used the existing structure, but the ceramics is changed to modernize and to stylize the space. The philosophy behind the design is to maximize functions and storage in a limited space by combining many engineering techniques on the market by using bright material colors to brighten up the space. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to help the channel out.